In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link one page to another page in WordPress step by step. Whether you want to guide visitors from one page to another, improve navigation, or simply connect related content, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and go to Pages. From here, locate the page you want to link from. Go ahead and click on Edit to open it in the WordPress editor. Once the editor loads, look for the View Page icon and click on it. This will open the live version of that page in a new tab. Next, copy the page URL from the address bar. This link is what we'll use to connect it to another page, so make sure it's copied correctly before moving on. Now, head back to your WordPress dashboard and return to Pages. Find the page where you want to add the link, such as your About page, and click Edit. Once you're inside the editor, decide where you want the link to appear. You have two easy options here. First, you can add a text link. Click on the plus icon to add a block, choose a text or paragraph block, and type something like, "Click here." Highlight the text, then click on the link icon in the toolbar and paste the URL you copied earlier. Press Enter to apply the link. Alternatively, you can use a button, which looks cleaner and is easier for visitors to notice. Click the plus icon, search for the button block, and add it to your page. Change the button text to something like, "Click here" or "Read more." Then click on the button. Select the link option, paste the copied page URL, and apply it. Once you've added the link, double-check everything to make sure it looks right. It's always a good idea to click Preview and test the link to confirm it redirects to the correct page without any issues. After you're happy with the result, click Update to save your changes. Your pages are now successfully linked, making it easier for visitors to navigate your site and explore your content. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to link pages together in WordPress quickly and easily. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.